I put some noodles in some water with some salt and oil and just boil them. These are the noodles that I used because I couldn't find lo mein noodles. Lo mein is usually made with carrots, celery, and hot sauce. And then I'm putting in some onions and bell peppers, just what I like. A little zucchini. Yeah. And then let that fry up. And some chicken. Now when you get ready to make your sauce, you make that with a little sesame seed oil, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And this is chicken broth. And you dash it all in there. Or you mix it ahead of time and you pour it in there. And then you have your sauce for your noodles. You're going to let this fry up some. This was all frozen. I know some people like to use fresh, but this is what we had in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, while you're frying this up, don't forget the seasoning. You can't forget the seasoning, right? You're gonna put a little let me get another spoon here. Minced garlic in here. I like a lot of garlic. We're gonna put some ginger. I don't have any fresh ginger, but I do have this. And cook it up. Stir all those good flavors in there. And my chicken broth. That kind of glazes the pan. This is the oyster sauce. And the soy sauce. And the sesame seed oil. And that's all it is to your sauce for your lo mein. Little garlic powder. It's not coming out right there. Let's see, can we get it to come out? Let's stir. You add your noodles, toss, and then there it is. It's their finished product. Now, as far as your vegetables are concerned, I'm sure you can use any vegetable you like. Look at that. And this is bad, but this is how you do it. Enjoy your homemade lo mein. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. Bye-bye now.